Hey everybody, Sive Morten is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, this is daily update on the euro currency. So let's see how market's going with our trading plan. So in general, this week it's relatively important. So we have in the Jackson Hole meeting later in this week some data releases. But in the recent session, market mostly was busy with just meeting on the Donald Trump and the Zelensky. It's lots of articles and actually headlines in the mass media on this subject, but nobody knows anything yet. So because the real results we will see only some particular practical steps that both sides will take. Currently it's still not quite clear what actually they have agreed to. So, and that's correspondingly you can see that it's minor impact on the market performance in general. So here's just a couple moments to discuss compared to what we said in a weekend. On the daily chart, we do not see any big changes. Nominal trend remains bullish. Market stands tight and actually stands some upward action to, as we supposed it, to the neckline, where it's around 117.40, maybe slightly high 17.50 area. That's what we're particularly watching for. But on the lower time frames, there are some changes. So on the 4 time frame chart, you can see that retracement here is happening a bit deeper than we thought. But that is actually, I would say, even better to us because, first of all, it doesn't break the idea of the free drive, and even we will not treat this price shape at the free drive. The target, the destination point around 17.55 remains the same. As we said in the weekend, very often the final part of the free drive takes the shape of the butterfly. And we have agreed, let's keep watching for fib levels, try and take long position with the stop somewhere below the invalidation point, which we think it will be right here, and see how market will perform. And indeed, if you take a look at the hourly chart, everything happening just great. On the downside action, despite that market has passed through these local supports of the, as we mentioned, around 1680, 1670 area, it doesn't break the shape of the butterfly. Right now, even we have the even better chance for position taken because market is close to the validation points and our risk will be even smaller. The target, despite this retracement, it hasn't changed at all because it's based on a retracement swing, not on a retracement that we have here. From that standpoint, we have the same 17.55 target. So currently, what particular we could keep an eye on? We could actually place even tighter stop if you would like to. If maybe it will be useful somehow to you. Take a look then here in this price action, we could get minor reverse head and shoulders pattern. So I will show you on the 15-minute chart. You could see it much better. This is how it looks like. And you could just trying to take position somewhere around 1656, 1660 with the right arm forming, placing the stop below the head or even slightly below the right arm. So this will be very small stop, around 10 pips. This is also possible. So it depends on your trading assets, what the trading lots you are taking. What actually stop you could afford to place here. So lots of reasons, but that's the pattern that we could use for taking positions. The risk in this case will be very small. Even if you take the trade based on the butterfly itself, it also will be not significant risk because invalidation point stands already around 1630. And market right now 16.7. So in some retracement, it will be as usual. So we take in these positions, it's 30, 35, maybe 40 pips. Not too much. So that's the update I would like to provide you for today. Now everything goes according to the plan. I do not see any reasons to change it. If suddenly market will drop down and will erase these lows, that might be some difference performance, and we will take a look in this case on a deeper retracement. But for now, everything goes well with the plan and we just get the better opportunity for position taking, and additionally we could get minor pattern that could help us a lot to minimize the potential risk. So that's all for now. See you next time.